Inside the 2026 FIFA World Cup Final Stadium, montage of past World Cup finals, roaring fans, iconic stadium shots. The FIFA World Cup, the biggest sporting event on the planet. Every 4 years, millions tune in, and one stadium becomes the ultimate stage for football glory. In 2026, for the first time in history, the World Cup will be hosted across 3 countries: the United States, Canada, and Mexico. But only one stadium will host the final match, and today, we're taking you inside it. Section 1. The grand finale of the 2026 FIFA World Cup will be held at MetLife Stadium. Located in East Rutherford, New Jersey, just minutes away from New York City. Opened in 2010, this modern football fortress is home to the NFL's New York Giants and New York Jets. But in 2026, it will transform into the world's most important football stage. With a seating capacity of over 82,500, it's one of the largest stadiums in the tournament. Designed for maximum visibility and fan comfort, MetLife's architecture is a blend of modern minimalism and technological excellence. Section 2. The location. Shots of New York City skyline. Statue of Liberty, Times Square. One of the reasons MetLife Stadium was chosen for the final is its prime location. Situated just across the Hudson River from Manhattan, it offers visitors the chance to experience one of the most iconic cities in the world. From Times Square to the Statue of Liberty, international fans will have no shortage of sights to explore before and after the match. Section 3. Stadium features. Close-up of seats, lighting systems, VIP suites, large screens. MetLife Stadium is a technological marvel. It features a 360-degree LED ribbon board, massive HD video screens, and one of the most advanced sound systems in the sports world. For the World Cup, the stadium will undergo a transformation, from the field turf used for American football to natural grass that meets FIFA's strict standards. The stadium also boasts more than 200 luxury suites, premium hospitality lounges, and a design that ensures fans feel close to the action, no matter where they sit. Section 4. Preparing for the final. Workers setting up turf, stadium lighting tests. FIFA branding installation. Hosting a World Cup final requires more than just a big stadium. FIFA demands the highest level of security, media facilities, and pitch quality. In the months leading up to the final, the stadium will see an army of workers preparing every detail, from freshly grown grass to the installation of international broadcast equipment that will beam the game to over 200 countries. The final match day will attract a star-studded audience, with celebrities, former players, heads of state, and hundreds of media representatives filling the stands. The history in the making. Past finals, trophy lifting moments, fan celebrations. Since 1930, only a handful of stadiums have had the honor of hosting a World Cup final. From the Maracanã in Brazil to the Luzhniki in Russia, each has become part of football history. In 2026, MetLife Stadium will join this elite list. The moment the final whistle blows, a new champion will be crowned and this venue will be forever etched in the memories of billions. MetLife Stadium isn't just a place where a match will be played. It's where dreams will come true, where heroes will be made, and where one team will rise to football immortality. The countdown has begun, and soon, the world will be watching. Who do you think will lift the trophy here in 2026? Drop your prediction in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more World Cup stories.